Well, it was the second straight day of weakness for the benchmarks, with both the Nifty and Sensex shedding 0.2% in today's session. But the broader end of the markets continued to march on. Both the Nifty mid and small cap indices were up for a 12th straight session today. Sectorally, FMCG was the big laggard today. That index shed somewhere around 2% on the back of weak mid-quarter update from Godrej Consumer. Dragged the entire FMCG lot along with itself. If you look at some of the other sectors, auto was among the big laggard, given the fact that the FADA data came out, and it did point to a weakness in demand for passenger and commercial vehicles. Individually on the Nifty, you had the likes of Wipro and L&T; those two were the top performers. On the flip side, Tata Consumer and HUL were the top laggers, losing anywhere between 3 to 4% a piece. If you look at some of the other movers, CED, that stock was on a roll, given the fact that it has acquired the off-highway tire business from Michelin, and it is expected to do well going forward in terms of margins. Aside of that, from the broader end of the markets, you had stocks like MapMy India. That stock staged a very smart rebound. In fact, a smart rally in the fag end of the session. 16% up for that stock, as the company has reversed or scrapped its decision to invest in outgoing CEO's new venture. Aside of that, you had Godrej Consumer, of course. That stock was down somewhere around 8% on the back of weak, mid-quarter update in terms of margins as well as sales and volumes. Well, that was all about today's market action. For more news and updates, stay tuned to Money Control.